Hello student. Today we will read third chapter of class 8, Understanding Quadrilateral. So, what are quadrilaterals? Quadrilaterals are closed figure made of 4 straight lines. Means any type of quadrilaterals. That in quadrilateral there is a square, rectangle or parallelogram, whatever you know in previous classes. So, quadrilateral means closed figure which have 4 sides. They are called quadrilaterals. So we read about the quadrilaterals in this chapter. So before that, we know that what is plane surface. Plane surface means your paper. Okay, any plain paper or your surface, they are called plane surface. Curved line, what? If you join some dots like this, they are curved line. This is straight line. Or plane surface means your paper is called plane surface. So here some figures given you. And the left side and right side is given, that is simple closed curve. The curve means which is not straight line, that is curve. The simple again closed curve. So this is curve, but is open. This is curve, but this is not a simple. And this one circle. Circle is called a simple closed curve because it has no opening. So it is number 1. Simple closed figure is your circle. A closed figure that is not simple. So which is? This is also closed figure, but it is not simple. This one is 2. Simple curve that is not closed. A simple curve but which is not closed means here this side open, 2 sides, this side. So to become a closed figure in a straight line, minimum 3 lines is needed, that is triangle to start. So here this side is not closed, it is open. So it is simple curve but that is not closed. Not a simple curve, a curve but not a simple curve. This one is. So it is like this, little complicated. So it is not a simple curve. Now what are polygons? A simple curve which is made of straight lines. A curve figure which is also closed made of straight line are called polygons. Okay, so these are simple curves but made of polygon straight lines. How many straight lines here? 4 straight lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 straight lines. Here also 4, here 4, here 4. Or in 5 straight line also. Polygons can be made. 6 straight lines, 7 lines. Many straight lines. If it is a closed figure made up of straight lines, then they are called polygons. So these all figures, this side, left side, curves that are polygons, they are called polygons. So what are polygons? Polygons is a closed figure that is made of only straight line, not a curved line. But here little open, here little the line separated, here open, here open. So these are not called polygons. So do you clear that? The polygons which are made of only straight lines. Now classification of polygons. The polygons are a closed figure made of straight lines. So different types of polygons are there and the names are also different according to the number of sides they have. Okay. So a polygon is named according to the number of sides. Okay. The first is 3. If a polygon has 3 sides, then it is called triangle. You know what a triangles means? A closed figure that has 3 sides. Triangle means a closed figure which has 3 sides. So first polygon is which has 3 sides and closed, and triangle, different types of triangle, equilateral, then isosceles triangle, scalene triangle, and according to angles, according to sides also different types of triangles are there. Then if a polygon has 4 sides, then it is called quadrilateral. So four side, a closed figure. Look, this is four sides. So four side quadrilaterals also different types are there according to their size, just such as square, rectangle, parallelogram, rhombus, trapezium. So these are closed figure with four sides and they are called overall their classification is quadrilaterals. Okay, triangle, quadrilateral. If a closed figure with five sides, if it is a five sides, look, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, five sides if this figure has, so it is called pentagon. If a polygon has five sides, then it is called pentagon. Then 6, if a side has 6 sides, if a polygon has 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, if a polygon has 6 sides, then it is called what? Hexagon. Okay. Then if a polygon has 7 sides, then it is called heptagon. According to the size, the polygon has different name. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Another side. Okay, 6 7. So it is called heptagon. If a polygon has 7 sides, then it is called heptagon. Then if a polygon has 8 sides, if a polygon has how many sides? 8 sides, it is called octagon. OCTA, it is called octagon. 8 sides, we have to make 8 sides. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. If a polygon has 8 sides, then it is called octagon. If a polygon has 9 sides, then it is called nonagon. Okay, it is called nonagon. Then figure will be 9 sides. You will make 1 2 3 4 5, then 6 7 8 9. Okay, then it is called nonagon. If a polygon has 9 sides, then it is called nonagon. If a polygon has 10 sides, then it is called decagon. Called what? Decagon. 10 sides. If a polygon has 10 sides, then it is called how much? Decagon. It is called decagon. Then like this many names are there. If there is n number of sides, that is called n-gon. Last one is n-gon. If a figure with n sides, number of sides are you just make it like this straight line. Okay, then that is called n-gon. Okay, the first 3 sides triangle, 4 side quadrilateral, 5 side pentagon, 6 side hexagon, 7 side heptagon, 8 side octagon, 9 side nonagon, 10 side decagon, n side n-gon. So you have to remind all the polygons names. So how the polygons are named? According to the number of sides. If the number of sides, you count the number of sides, then you can name what type of polygon it is. Okay. Now, what are diagonals? So we clear about polygon. So polygons has a number of sides with we can give numbers. Suppose it is a polygon. It is not a quadrilateral. With 4 sides, it is a polygon. So name A, B, C, D. The consecutive names A, then B, then C, then D. So what are diagonals? So the line segment joining the non-consecutive alphabets or non-consecutive points. So non-consecutive points are vertices. This you can say A, B, C, D. What? They are vertices of the polygons. So diagonals means the joining of the line segment to the non-consecutive vertices. Consecutive means A, B. A consecutive of A is B, B is consecutive C, C is consecutive C. Then B to D. Then they are called AC, BD are the diagonals. AC and BD are the diagonals. So what are diagonals? The line segment joining the non-consecutive vertices of a polygon. Okay. So this is another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 means pentagon it is. Pentagon's vertices are 5 vertices A, B, C, D, E. So look, I will show you by joining the points. Okay, so A, B, C, D. So A's conjugative is B. We leave the B. That means we join the non-consecutive. Then you join A to C. Then B. B to you join B to D. Okay. Then C to E. C, D will not connect. C to D. Then E to what? B. Then A to D. It is became made a star in between inside a pentagon. So diagonals are joining the. It is a line segment joining the non-consecutive vertices of a polygon. Then it is another polygon with 4 sides. Sometimes always the diagonals are not found or made inside a figure or inside a polygon. Sometimes the diagonals can be made outside the polygon. So a figure 1. Suppose it is figure 2. So here if you name the diagonals, what you made? Right. AC, BD, then DA, then EB, then AD. So these are diagonals of this pentagon. Okay, and here if you name A, B, C, D, then first AC is a diagonal, B, A not A, C, then B, D. BD diagonal. It is also a diagonal which is outside the polygon. So sometimes the diagonals can be found outside the polygon. Okay. So these 3 types of polygon or what they are diagonals. Suppose you will draw a hexagon. Okay. Hexagons also join the diagonals. Okay, these are the diagonals. Okay, you try to make more polygons, draw polygons and draw the diagonals inside it. Now interior and exterior part. So any figures you know it. Suppose it is a triangle. This part is called interior and outside part is called exterior. It is simple thing. Okay, any curve. Suppose a curve with this is inside interior part and outside these are called exterior part. Now come to convex polygon, concave polygon. So what are convex polygon and what are concave polygon? So convex polygon means if the diagonals are inside the polygon. When you construct the diagonals, if they are constructed inside a polygon, that figure is called convex polygon. If the diagonals come outside, I told before that sometimes the diagonals drawn outside the figure. So if the diagonals are found outside the figure, then that is called concave polygon. So let's draw diagonals here. Inside diagonals you join the alternate or non-consecutive vertices. So these diagonals, so these all figures have diagonals inside the polygon. So these diagonals are called convex, or these polygons are called convex polygons. So here in right side I have drawn some figures. When you draw polygon, so this is one polygon, then here A, B. It is this are called outside the figure, and this figure when you draw here also you get this diagonal is outside the figure, and here also this diagonal, so this is also outside the figure, and here when you draw line, this is also outside the figure. So this type of diagonals, if diagonals found the outside of a polygon, then that polygon is called concave polygon. If all the diagonals drawn inside the figure or inside the polygon, then that is called convex polygon. So that is the difference between the convex polygon and the concave polygon. Now come to regular and irregular polygons. So different types of polygons, convex, concave, you understood. Now regular and irregular polygons. So what are regular polygons, what are irregular polygons? The regular polygons means if a polygons all sides equal, all angles equal, that means equiangular, equilateral. If the polygons are equiangular and equilateral, then they are called regular polygons. Just like your equilateral triangle, okay, if all sides are equal, triangle, all sides equal, all angles are also 60 degree, okay. Equilateral triangle is a regular polygon. Square is a regular polygon. Square is a regular because all sides equal and all angles are 90 degree, you know. So they are called regular polygons. Irregular polygons means a polygon which all sides different length with angles, obviously it will be different. So suppose scalene or isosceles triangles, okay, isosceles triangle, otherwise rectangle, rhombus not parallelogram, okay. So this type of figures are called irregular polygons. So what is difference between regular and irregular polygon? Regular polygons means all sides equal, all angles equal, equilateral and equiangular. And the irregular polygons means which different length, all sides have different length, and obviously angles will be different. Then they are called irregular polygons and regular polygons. Okay. Now angle sum property. What angle sum property? So in previous classes you know that a triangle's three sides, when you add the three sides of a triangle, it is 180 degree, okay. So if you add four sides, four angles of the quadrilateral, okay, so what will be the sum? So let's do, so this is a quadrilateral ABCD. ABCD is a quadrilateral. We divide into it two parts, two triangles, okay. If you join the one diagonal, then we get ADC triangle, ABC triangle. So ABCD quadrilateral divided into two triangles, that is one triangle ADC and another triangle ABC. ADC, this is one triangle, this is another triangle. So in ADC triangle, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to 180, you know, 1, 2, 3. In ABC triangle, angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 6 equal to 180 degree. This is another triangle, 4, 5, 6, okay, 180 degree. Let's add left side and right side. Suppose I add angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4, angle 5, angle 6, okay, equal to 180 plus 180. So left side I added all, right side 180 plus 180. So angle 1 and angle 4 I bring at 1 plus angle 1 plus angle 4, okay, angle 1 plus angle 4, then angle 3 plus angle 3 plus angle 5 plus 2 6, angle 2 plus angle 6 I put 1 plus, Okay, understood? Angle 2, angle 6, angle 1, angle 4, and rest I left 2. So angle A 1 plus 4. 1 plus 4 means total it is angle A na? Angle A. When we add this 2. So A of this quadrilateral. Then angle 3 is angle D. Angle 3 is what? Angle D. Then angle 5 equal to what? Angle B. Then 2 plus 6. 2 plus 6. It is completely angle C. And this is 180. 180 means 360 degree. Okay. So angle A, B, C, D. Total added we get 360 degree. Okay. So a quadrilateral has 4 angles. When you add this sum of 4 angles, it is 360 degree. Okay. Like this you can calculate. Okay. So this is all about understanding the quadrilateral. I hope you could understand about the quadrilateral. So the quadrilaterals has 4 closed figure with 4 side or plain figure with 4 side, and we have read about the different polygons. Polygons also named according to the number of sides. Polygon also a closed figure, but it has different names with the number of sides. Okay, and what we read about the different polygons, different types of polygons. What? Convex, concave, then regular, irregular polygons, diagonals. Okay, so I hope you could understand all these things in today's videos. So this is all about today. Thank you. Have a nice day.